Have you ever wondered what makes the Jordaan neighborhood in Amsterdam so captivating? As experts at White Tulip Hostel, we're here to guide you through this enchanting area in 2024. Join us on a walking tour of the Jordaan, where history meets charm at every corner. Once an industrial district, this picturesque neighborhood has transformed into a vibrant hub filled with character. Stroll through narrow, cobbled streets adorned with stunning Dutch architecture, and discover delightful independent boutiques and cozy cafes waiting to be explored. One of the highlights of our tour is the Noordermarkt, a must-visit on Saturdays. Here, you can find organic produce and intriguing treasures at the Monday flea market. Don't miss the iconic and Frank House, which offers a profound glimpse into Amsterdam's rich history. As we wander, we'll uncover a unique blend of shops featuring handmade jewelry, exclusive clothing, and thoughtful homeware. Be sure to stop by Café Winkel 43, renowned for serving the best apple pie in the city. But it doesn't stop there. Hidden gardens can be found amidst the buzz, perfect for enjoying a peaceful moment away from the hustle. Whether you choose to walk or rent a bike, the Jordaan invites you to discover its charm at your own pace. By booking directly through our website, you'll enjoy special benefits, including competitive prices for your stay. So, what are you waiting for? Discover the Jordaan, a unique blend of history, culture, and modern flair, by following the link in the description. Let's explore together.